So, this is the homemade iceberg experiment. What you need is some dry ice, which I've already poured into the water that you also need. And so, basically what happens is when you pour the dry ice into the water, it starts doing this. It starts subliming at a rapid rate. And the dry ice is gaining energy when you put it into the water. However, the water is losing energy because of the extremely low temperatures of the dry ice. It cools the water around it and turns it into its solid form, which is just normal ice. And the ice keeps forming around the dry ice over time, and eventually you get your own little iceberg.
So right now, the dry ice is turning into a gas at a much slower rate. And it's gotten to a point where the water is at a temperature that it's turned to ice. So for a better view of this, because it looks just kind of weird from this view, we're going to take a glass and put it in the water. And now you can see that most of that, only the parts that are bubbling are actually dry ice, and most of it is normal ice. So that's how the glacier project is becoming a full glacier.
So, here we have the finished miniature iceberg. So, it's not as big as it could be. Like, we've done this before, and it has turned out larger. But this is what it should look like, at least. Some of the dry ice was lost, but a little bit of it stayed to... and it apparently wanted to rise to the surface. So, yeah, some of the dry ice was lost, but some of it stayed to keep the water cool and turn it into ice. So there you have it.